अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट क्लास 12 यूनिट। आज हम एक नया यूनिट स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स। ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स कंटेनिंग नाइट्रोजन। और टॉपिक जो है हमारा टॉपिक है एमाइनस। Now what are amines? Introduction of amines. What are amines? Amines किनको कहते हैं? Amines basically they are the derivatives of the ammonia which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl group. Such compounds are called as amines. So amines they are the derivatives of ammonia obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia by alkyl or aryl groups. Alkyl or aryl groups are called as amines. So we have ammonia, and from ammonia we obtain amines. How? By replacing the hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl groups. For example, we have this ammonia. We have ammonia here, NH3. अगर हम इसका एक हाइड्रोजन एटम इसको हम रिप्लेस करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे एक हाइड्रोजन एटम को बाय आर ग्रुप, इट बिकम्स RnH2. And if another hydrogen atom it is replaced by the alkyl or the aryl group, it becomes R2NH. दूसरा हाइड्रोजन एटम अगर तीसरा भी हम निकालेंगे, तीसरा हाइड्रोजन एटम भी इसके बदले भी हम लिखेंगे और ऐड करेंगे तो ये बनेगा R3N. So these compounds which are obtained by replacing the hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl. इसी तरह से हम aryl group hydrogen atoms को हम replace कर सकते हैं by the aryl groups. There the compounds obtained, those are also called as amines. For example, you have ammonia NH3 here. I replace it with one aryl group, that is C6H5 group, it becomes ArNH2. Similarly, if we replace two hydrogen atoms by two aryl groups, it becomes Ar2NH. Similarly, if three hydrogen atoms are replaced by the aryl groups, three aryl groups, it becomes Ar3N. So these compounds which are obtained from ammonia by replacing the hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl groups, such compounds are called as amines. Now we have these amines. The classification of these depending upon how many hydrogen atoms are replaced by the alkyl or the aryl groups. The amines are of following three types, that's primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. So we have depending upon how many hydrogen atoms are replaced, how many hydrogen atoms of the ammonia are replaced by the alkyl or the aryl groups. Amines are of three types. Amines are of three types. 1 degree primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. Now what are primary amines? अगर हमने अमोनिया का एक हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस किया है बाय द अल्काइल ग्रुप और द एराइल ग्रुप और अल्काइल और एराइल ग्रुप, इट बिकम्स RnH2. जब खाली एक अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच्ड होगा नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द अमाइनो ग्रुप, such amines are called as the primary amines, which contains only one AR group or the R group attached to the nitrogen of the amino group. Those amines are called as the primary amines. इसमें आप देख सकते हो इसमें खाली एक ही अल्काइल ग्रुप है या एक एराइल ग्रुप हो सकता है और ArNH2. Nitrogen is attached to two hydrogen atoms and one alkyl group or one aryl group. Such amines are called as the primary amines, in which the nitrogen atom of the amino group is attached to only one alkyl or the aryl group. Such amines are called as primary amines. Similarly, we have number 2. That means two hydrogen atoms when replaced by the alkyl group or aryl groups. We have RNHR. Nitrogen is attached to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. Such amines are called as the secondary amines. Similarly, we have tertiary amines when all the three hydrogen atoms are replaced by the alkyl groups. Three alkyl groups or three aryl groups. Such amines are called as the tertiary amines, where the nitrogen is attached to three alkyl groups or the three aryl groups. Such amines are called as tertiary amines. So, what are amines and what are the various types of amines? Amines are the compounds, derivatives of ammonia, which are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl groups. Such compounds are called as amines. Now we have, depending upon how many hydrogen atoms of the ammonia are replaced by the alkyl or the aryl groups, amines are of three types, that's primary amines, secondary amines and tertiary amines. प्राइमरी अमाइनस वो अमाइनस होते हैं जहां पर नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द अमाइनो ग्रुप जो है दैट इज अटैच्ड टू ओनली वन अल्काइल ग्रुप और वन एराइल ग्रुप. Such amines are called as primary amines. Similarly, we have secondary amines where the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. Such are called as the secondary amines. And tertiary amines में क्या होता है कि जो ये नाइट्रोजन होता है अमाइनो ग्रुप का that is attached to three alkyl or the three aryl groups. Such are called as the tertiary amines. Now we have classification of amines. Classification of amines. Classification of amines. Amines जो है they are broadly classified into two categories. Number first, aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. And number second, aromatic amines. Aromatic amines. Now what are aliphatic amines? Aliphatic amines are those amines in which the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to 1, 2 or 3 alkyl groups. They may be same or they may be, in case of secondary and tertiary, they may be same or different. Such amines are called as aliphatic amines. So while the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the alkyl groups. For example, CH3NH. यहाँ पर आप देखो कि यहाँ पर जो ये CH3 group है is an alkyl group. It is attached to the nitrogen of the amino group. This is an example of the aliphatic amine. Similarly, we have C2H5NH CH3. Two alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen of the amino group. Similarly, we have NCH3 and CH3. These are aliphatic amines. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि नाइट्रोजन जो होता है अमाइनो ग्रुप का that is attached to the alkyl groups. When the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the alkyl group, so such amines are called as the aliphatic amines. Now we have aromatic amines. They are of two types, that is the aryl amines and alkyl amines. Aliphatic amines में आपने याद रखा जो amino group होता है nitrogen of the amino group that is attached to the alkyl part, that is attached to the alkyl groups or groups. Such amines are called as aliphatic amines. Now we have aromatic amines. Aromatic amines. There are two types: aryl amines and number second, alkyl amines. Aryl amines are those when the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the aryl ring. In case of secondary and tertiary, the aryl rings, they may be same or they may be different. For example, nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the aryl ring, aryl group or aromatic ring. For example, you have C6H5NH2. यहाँ पर आप देखो जो नाइट्रोजन है अमाइनो ग्रुप का दैट इज अटैच्ड टू द फिनाइल रिंग. सच अमाइनस आर कॉल्ड एज द अराइल अमाइन. इसी तरह से दो फिनाइल रिंग भी हो सकती है, 3 फिनाइल रिंग भी अटैच्ड टू द नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द अमाइनो group. We have that is nitrogen C6H5 C6H5H. Similarly, we have C6H5 and C6H5 and C6H5. When the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the these aromatic rings, they may be same or different in case of secondary and tertiary amines. Whereas what are alkyl amines? Alkyl amines are those amines in which the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. 2 or more than 2 aromatic rings. Such aromatic amines are called as alkyl amines. So we have alkyl amines in which the nitrogen atom is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. For example, हमारे पास ये बेंजीन रिंग है attached to the side chain, suppose CH3, and CH3 का एक हाइड्रोजन हमने रिप्लेस किया है by NH2. So this amino group, it is not directly attached to the carbon of the aromatic ring, but it's attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. Such amines are called as alkyl amines. Similarly, we have another example. We have this example of the another, that's alkyl amines, where we have the two aromatic rings having the side chain, and to that side chain the aromatic this amino group is attached. Such amines are called as alkyl amines. So we have this one first classification of the amines, that is the aromatic aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Aliphatic amines are those amines in which the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to an alkyl group. In case of secondary and the tertiary, they may be same or they may be different, while as in case of the aromatic amines, where we have the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the aryl ring. In case of secondary and tertiary, those aryl rings, they may be same or different, whereas we have the alkyl amines in which the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring. Such amines are called as alkyl amines. Then we have the amines. These are further classified as simple amines. Secondary and tertiary amines are further classified as simple and mixed amines. Secondary and tertiary, both aliphatic as well as aromatic amines are further of two types. Number one, simple amines, And number second, mixed amines. Simple what are simple amines? Simple amines वो amines होते हैं. For example, secondary amines we have when the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the same two alkyl or same aryl rings. Such amines are called as the secondary में CH3. Suppose CH3NH CH3. This nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the two same alkyl groups. Similarly, we have C6H5 NH and C6H5. It is attached to the two same aryl rings. So these are the examples of the simple amines. In case of tertiary, at least two groups should be same. For example, we have the tertiary amine. Simple में क्या होता है कि either it is attached to the three same alkyl or the aryl groups, or two among them must be same. This is the simple amine, tertiary simple amine. We have CH3, C2H5 and CH3. At least two groups they should be same that constitute, in case of tertiary, that constitutes the simple amines. So simple amines are the amines in which the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the two same alkyl groups or two same aryl groups. And in case of tertiary amines, at least two groups should be, all the three they should be same, or at least two groups they should be same. Such amines are called as the simple amines. Now we have mixed amines. Mixed amines are those amines where the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the different alkyl or the aryl groups. Such amines are called as mixed amines. For example, we have CH3NH C2H5. It is a mixed amine because it is attached to the two different alkyl groups. Similarly, we have CH3 and C6H5 and C2H5. Such amines are called as mixed amines where the nitrogen of the amino group is attached to the different alkyl or the aryl group. Such amines are called as the mixed amines. Now we have, so this was regarding the classification. First we have the introduction of amines, derivatives of ammonia, which are obtained by replacing the nitrogen hydrogen atoms of the ammonia by the alkyl or the aryl group. Such are called as amines. Amines are further of amines are of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. वो हमने देखा कि how the primary, secondary and tertiary amines are obtained from ammonia. Then we have the classification of the amines. Amines, they are classified into the primary, these are aliphatic amines and aromatic amines. Then we have aromatic amines further of two types, that is the aryl amines and the aralkyl amines. Then we have secondary and tertiary amines. They are further classified into the simple amines and the mixed amines. Now we have another topic in this under the category of amines, that is the nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature of amines. We have number first, that is the common system. Common system. इनके दो कॉमन सिस्टम ऑफ नॉमेनक्लेचर्स है इनके एमाइनस के. एक तो है इनका नाम जो है, they are called as the alkyl amines. According to common system, these are named by two ways. According to common system, these are named by two ways. Number first, these are called as alkyl amines. First, the alkyl group is named, then the word amine is added to the name of the alkyl group. For example, CH3NH. अब इसका नाम क्या आएगा? This is methyl, and then we have to add the word amine. So this is methyl amine. Methyl amine. इसी तरह से है हमारे पास CH3-NH डैश CH3। दो मिथाइल ग्रुप्स है तो दो के लिए सेम जो है इनके लिए हम प्रीफिक्स यूज करते हैं डाई। सो द नेम इज डाई मिथाइल amine। First the alkyl or the aryl group is named, then we add the word amine। इस तरह से है C6H5NH2। अब इसका नाम क्या आएगा? दिस इज फिनाइल, दिस इज एमाइन, दिस इज फिनाइल एमाइन। इसी तरह से हमारे पास और एक एग्जांपल, when the alkyl or the aryl groups attached to the amino group are different, then they are named according to the alphabetic order। We have CH3NH C2H5, it is ethyl, and because these alkyl groups, they are attached to the nitrogen of the amino group, so we can also write it as N-ethyl, comma dash N-methyl amine। So according to this system, first system of nomenclature, where these are named as alkyl amines, the alkyl group is named, then we add the word amine, that's called as that is the name of these amines। So similarly we have C2H5NH C2H5 and C2H5। what is the name of this amine? It is 3 ethyl groups। तो 3 के लिए हम प्रीफिक्स करते हैं ट्राई, ethyl amine। So the first system of nomenclature, that is the common system of nomenclature, according to this common system of nomenclature, these are called as the alkyl amines। First the alkyl group is named, then we add the word amine to it। Then we have the second system of the common system of nomenclature, that these are called as the amino alkanes। These are called as, first they are called as alkyl, they are named as alkyl amines। First the alkyl group is named or the aryl group is named, then we add the word amine। Now we have the second common system of nomenclature, where these are called as amino alkanes। amino alkanes, for example you have CH3, इसी तरह से है NH2। अब इस NH2 के बदले में क्या लिखूंगी? amino। and CH3 के बदले क्या लिखेंगे? alkane। it contains only one carbon, को it is meth, and it is saturated with ethane। aminomethane is the name of this compound, while as in the first system this is called as the methyl amine। Now it is according to this amino alkane second common system of nomenclature, these are called as, this compound is called as the aminomethane। Similarly we have C6H5, बाद में करेंगे इसका। Then we have the secondary and the tertiary। secondary और tertiary को हम कैसे नाम देते हैं? secondary में जो CH3NH and CH3, this is a secondary amine। यहाँ पर आप एक मिथाइल को हम लेंगे as substituent। it's attached to the nitrogen, so its name is N-methyl, क्योंकि एक ही को हमें ट्रीट करना है एज एल्केन। सो आप इस मिथाइल को ट्रीट कर सकते हो एल्केन है, इसको दे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। सो इट इज एन मिथाइल एमाइनो मीथेन। एन इसीलिए क्योंकि ये जो एमाइनो दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप, इट इज अटैच्ड टू द नाइट्रोजन ऑफ द एमाइनो ग्रुप, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज प्रीफिक्स्ड बाय द लेटर दैट इज एन। सिमिलरली वी हैव, if we have different alkyl groups such as we have this C6C2H6, यहाँ पर जो amino part है, this is the alkane part जो है, that is that alkyl group which contains the maximum number of the carbon atoms। so here we have the ethyl, so this became the part of the alkane and this is the substituent। so the name is N-methyl amino ethane। N-methyl amino ethane is the name of this compound। Similarly we have another compound, we have, suppose we have 2H5 and CH3 and C3H7. अब यहाँ पर जो largest contains the alkyl group contains the carbon atoms, large number of the carbon atoms, that is the propyl group. So this became the part of the alkane, and these two are the substituents. But these are attached to the nitrogen of the amino group, so the name, these are named according to the alphabetic order. But before the name, we have to prefix the letter N. That is the N. पहले E, ये E है, ये M है, पहले E आएगा, so it is N ethyl dash N methyl amino propane. This is the common system of the nomenclature of the amines, where in the common system of nomenclature we have the two common system of nomenclatures. First, these are called as the, according to the first system, these are called as the amino alkanes, while as in the second system these are called, in the first system these are called as alkyl amines, while as in the second system these are called as the amino alkanes. Now we have their IUPAC name. Their IUPAC name is obtained from alkanes by replacing the terminal E of alkanes by the word amine. So these are named as alkane amines. Alkanes का हम E replace करते हैं with the word amine. So it is alkane amine. For example, you have CH3NH2. इसका नाम क्या आएगा? मीथेन. E हम replace करेंगे amine. Methane amine. Similarly, we have C2H5 and H2. It is ethane amine. Ethane amine. इसी तरह से अगर हमारे पास है secondary and tertiary, then those are named as the, similarly those are called as the substituent. Suppose we have this compound. What is the name of this compound? It is N-methyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. So एक alkyl group को हम treat करेंगे as substituent, while the second one that is considered as the alkane. कौन सा हम alkane treat करते हैं? Which contains a large number of the alkyl groups. This is the IUPAC system of nomenclature of alkanes. These amines. Similarly, we have the aromatic amines. उनका जो name है, mostly these are named according to the common system of nomenclature. These are called as aromatic amines. इनका जो simplest member है, that is this is called as the aminobenzene. Common system जो हमने अभी पढ़ा, common system of nomenclature, or it is called as the phenylamine, or it is another name is aniline, and all the others are named as the जो हम derive करते हैं from this compound. Their name is obtained from the aniline. So we have, suppose we have a compound obtained from the aniline, that is NH2. Suppose here we have Cl, it is chloro 2-chloro aniline. So in case of aromatic amines, their name is obtained, the name of the aromatic amine is generally obtained from the simplest amine, that is called as the aniline. And according to the IUPAC system, these are also called as the benzene amines. Benzene का last terminal E जो होता है, that is replaced by the word amine. So it is IUPAC name is benzene amine. This was about the nomenclature of the amines. So accordingly, we have the common system of nomenclature, we have the IUPAC system of nomenclature. Common system of nomenclatures में हमने दो system of nomenclatures पढ़े. In the first, these are called as alkyl amines, and in the second, these are called as the amino alkanes. While as same is the case with the aliphatic as well as the aromatic amines. Then we have the IUPAC system of nomenclature. According to the IUPAC system of nomenclature, these are called as these are named by replacing the terminal E of the alkanes by the word amine. So these are called as alkane amines. Then we have various examples in this. This was about the nomenclature of the amines. Inshallah, in the next video lecture, we will go through the preparation of the amines. Thank you so much.